Welcome to the second video of this series, the question set 2. First I will read the question. The board of directors of Sandun Productions has decided to include all of their company information into a computer software. The software was commissioned by Tirina Gayatra Soft. That's the company name. You're the senior software engineer of the software development company, and your team has been assigned to create a database. Create the database needed to store information in this software. So that is the question. Let's go to the part 1 of the question. So 2. Use Sanduna Production DB for the name of the database. So the first requirement is that we should create the database, and the database name should be Sanduna Production DB. So let's create go to the MySQL and create the database Sanduna Production DB. Sanduna Production DB and click OK. Now we have the database. Now that we have a database, the part 2 asks us to create a table called employee, and when we create it, just follow the instructions below, and let's create the employee table. So I click on database name and click table and give the table name employee and employee registration number, and this is voucher, and the length is 10. Second column gonna be first name, voucher, and let's give this 20. Last name, voucher 20, and gender, length 10, contact number, then and hit the save button. Now we have our employee table. So now that we have the employee table done, let's move on to the third question. And the third question asks us to create the table named product. So let's create the product table. Right click on the database name and name the table as product. First column of the product table is product ID. Product ID once again is voucher, that is 10. The second column is product name. Let's give it a 50. And the last column is brand. So in the brand column, the length is set to 50, and hit the save button. And you can see the product table and the employee table. So let's move on to the next question, and the question is that what are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table above. So in the product table, you can see there is 3 columns: product ID, product name, brand, and you could say that product ID can count as the primary key if you want, because product ID primary key is primary key is not going to be repeated, so product ID is not gonna be repeated. Product name, it's possible to repeat, it's possible to have a repeated product name, but it's not that much of a problem. It's a very rarity that we get repeated product names. But the brand though, brand can be repeated multiple times. If we take example of Apple, we have few iPhones in our product table, and the brand, all of their brands gonna be Apple, so it's gonna be Apple in multi columns, and that's data repeating, the data redundancy. So that is a way. So what we can do to reduce that data redundancy is to take the brand column and take it out and put it into a complete different table and make it a brand, and then we can foreign it, and then we can foreign the brand ID column of the brand table to the product table with a one-to-many relationship. So that is the question set 2. That's done for this video. Hope to see you in the next video.